Huh? Ah, kala. Finish.
Sevgis?
Can you speak English?
Yes.
Okay, let's speak English.
Yes. What are you doing here?
I'm packing my bags.
Yes, you are here from the morning.
Yes?
Yes.
Not from morning. I just came here 1 hour ago. No, it's not me. Not mine.
It's not yours.
Yes.
Do you have ID? Where are you from?
I'm from East Europe.
Where?
But is someone call you?
Yes.
Who call you?
Where are you from?
I'm from Ukraine. The people from the school call you?
Yes, they are worried.
Why are they worried? Am I look dangerous?
They don't know if you are dangerous.
There's three fans.
You have ID.
Yes, I have.
Can you show it to me?
I was in the police station a long time, so there is no problems.
Okay, show me the ID. Ukraine.
Wait a second. Can I know your name, sir? Can I see your ID?
My name?
Yes.
Why?
I want to know how can I call you?
Police officer.
No. I need to know your name.
The name is in the auto.
No, I want to know your name. You have to show me your license also.
Who said that?
It's my human rights. It's international law.
Call 100 and say which police officer came here. They know.
I don't know your name. Can I know your name, please?
Don't make it difficult.
No, I'm not making it difficult. I just want to know how can I call you? Zachus?
Yes.
Okay, and you, please? Antonio, nice to meet you.
Okay.
Yes. Is it real names?
Yes.
Yes.
Maybe.
It's real.
For which reason you ask me?
Because it's my human rights. Do you understand?
What?
It's my human rights.
You must call 100.
I can help you to show you stamp.
No, I don't. I know my work.
I can show you the stamp
yes,
of
I
arrival.
know my work. Don't worry.
In the morning you was here.
Maybe.
You must live from here.
That's what I'm doing. You just keeping me here.
So where are you going?
Out.
Why?
You ask a lot of questions. You know your human rights, but you don't know what you.
I'm just curious where are you going?
This is your place. Yes, this is your place. Did you pay for this place?
Nobody pays. This is a rubbish place. Look, this
Who
is
said that? Who said that?
Look here, this is
Who
public
said
toilet.
in the public you can stay and live?
Yes, I can do it.
Who said that?
No.
Who said that? In the public you can live and sleep?
Look, this is look like a public toilet.
Who said that you can in the public stay with
It's written in the Bible.
No, I don't
We
think so.
people, we have to help each other.
You know the right, but you don't know what you have to do. Where's your mask?
In my bag, I don't have corona. I can show you my test.
Who said that?
I can show you the test. I take the test.
The law don't say that everyone has a corona word. I also have a corona, but I wear it.
Πολλά λες τέλος πάντων. Θα έχω χτύπα εκεί πέρα και... Λίγο φύγαμε,